open the box, you will find the adhesive syringe along with two glass syringe of 20 ml each. Now, I will show you how to assemble the adhesive syringe. First of all, the adhesive syringe contains certain parts. I will introduce them one by one. This is the bottom end of adhesive syringe. This one is the washer of adhesive syringe. This is a barrel of adhesive syringe, and this is a spring for adhesive syringe, and this is a cap along with two tip ring fingers with a piston having a adjustable locks at the head of the piston. Now, first of all, how to assemble the adhesive syringe. First, you take a glass syringe, remove the piston from the glass syringe, take a barrel of glass syringe, insert the barrel in the bottom end of adhesive syringe like this. Fix it over there. Then put a washer on the glass syringe, and then take a barrel of adhesive syringe and assemble it with the bottom end of adhesive syringe. Once you finish this assembly, keep it aside. Now take a glass piston, take a spring. See, the spring has got two ends. One is tapered one is wide. Now insert the piston at the taper end. The whole assembly along with the spring, insert the piston in the barrel of adhesive syringe. Now take the cap. Be sure that the adjustable screws are totally open so that you can fix the cap very easily on the top of the adhesive barrel. Now adjust the screw to adjust whatever the volume you want to suck. These are the adjustments by which you can adjust the volume of the syringe accordingly. Now I am adjusting it at 20 mm. It has been adjusted totally. Now take a tube along with a filter. Put the tube at the tip end of the leer lock of glass syringe. Now, how to serve? Take a sample of oil in a glass cylinder or a glass beaker, whatever you want to test. Insert the tube along with the filter in the glass cylinder. Insert it completely till the bottom of the fluid. Now put a piston and to remove the air bubble inside the glass barrel. Remove the air bubble totally so that there will not be any error. Then release the piston. You will find slowly the oil is entering in the glass barrel. Now since I am observing that there is some air gap in the glass syringe, again I will remove the filter so that the piston automatically is coming up, and again inserting it inside and giving a pressure to the piston so that all the air of the barrel and the tube is gone. Now slowly the oil will come up. Now you will observe that the oil is get sucked in the glass syringe up to 20 ml without any air bubble. So this is the procedure how to use the ADC syringe. Thank you very much. For any inquiry and suggestions, you are most welcome